10 signs to know that she truly loves you. If she shows these 10 signs, know that she truly loves you. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is David DC. I would like you to do me a favor by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you. Number 1, she prioritizes you in her life. When a woman loves you, she starts organizing her life around you. Not in an unhealthy way, but in a meaningful one. You notice that she will make time for you even in her busy days, like when she's busy, when she's doing one thing or the other. Like she'll make sure that she makes out time for you. And your happiness and well-being becomes part of her decision-making process. That is, she will make, like, she's not even going to tell you stories. Like, she will be there for you. Like, she will make out time for you, no matter how busy her day is, no matter whatever she's doing, no matter how tight her schedule is. She will always find time to call you, to chat you, to reply your messages or your texts or your email. Like, she doesn't tell you or give you any excuses. Whether it's making time to call, check up on you, or sacrifice her comfort for your conveniences, she shows that you matter deeply. That's just the truth. Because a woman who loves you will always make out for time for you. She will not even tell you that she's busy or whatever. Number 2, she is genuinely interested in your life. She doesn't just ask, "How was your day?" She wants to know the details. She listens closely when you talk about your goals, your family, your challenges, or even your passion. She remembers the small things, even the ones you forgot you mentioned, because she pays attention to you. Like, any woman that loves you, she'll not even, like, she want to know deeply, like, she want to know in details everything. Because that's why you see some same, they will be, moving around that, I have my babe loves me. Even when you call the girl will tell you that she's very busy, or she's feeling sleepy, she wants to go to bed. But she's still the present person telling another guy that she cannot sleep because of me. That sounds funny, right? But that's the reality of the day. Number 3, she supports your dreams. Love pushes people to be their best. A woman who loves you will believe in your potentials. Even when you doubt yourself, she will encourage you, motivate you, and sometimes challenge you to go further. Whether it's your career, business, or education, she becomes your biggest cheerleader. Like, she will be your number 1 fan. Like, this is not just even theory, this is practical. Like, when a girl loves you, it's like she will be the one that will be motivating you. She will always see the good in you, even when you are doubting yourself. She will always tell you that, okay, man, babe, why not do it this way? Like, why not do it this way? Like, I see this potential in you. I know that it's gonna work. You understand? So, but a woman who doesn't love you will always complain. She will always doubt you. She will always even criticize you at everything you do. I know that sometimes critics are good, but constructive critics are good, but it's not that you are going to be blaming your partner or your friend every time he or she does something wrong. Like, this is the reason for you to know that any woman who loves you will always be with you. The person will always support you no matter what. Number 4, she is vulnerable with you. True love requires openness. When she starts sharing her insecurities, past mistakes, or even fears of losing you, it shows she feels safe and emotionally connected. Vulnerability is a huge sign of love because it means she trusts you enough to let her guard down. Like, she trusts you, that's why she opens to you. Like, she will open up to you. She will not be hiding anything from you because she knows that she loves you. She knows that she trusts you. She knows that she. Number 5, she includes you in her future plans. Now listen. When she talks about the future plans, whether it's travel, family, or even weekend plans, you'll notice that she naturally includes you. She uses "we" instead of "I" and assumes you'll be around. That means she's not just thinking short term, she sees you as part of her life journey. So when you see someone like this, know that she's not just, she's not just there for the moment. She's seeing the bigger picture between both of you. So when you see someone like this, you're not reason to, not to let her go. Number 6, she makes effort to please you. She learns what you like and tries to make you happy. It could be cooking your favorite meal, dressing in ways she knows you love, or sending thoughtful messages through the day. When a woman goes out of her way to bring a smile to your face, it's not a random, it's love. It's not random, like it's love. Like this is just natural. Like normally girls have pride, you all know, but whenever a girl like step out of her comfort zone to make all these efforts, I think that's a sign to show that she truly loves you. So when you see someone like that, do not let her go. Don't let go. Grab her, hold her tight. Number 7, she's patient with your flaws. Love doesn't mean perfection. If she truly loves you, she will learn to accept your weakness. She might not even like everything about you, but she will be patient, help you grow, and won't use your flaws against you. This doesn't mean she tolerates toxic behavior, no. It means she understands you are human and worth effort. Number 8, she defends you in your absence. If someone speaks negatively about you, she doesn't just stay silent, she stands up for you, even when you are not around. She protects your image, defends your character, and refuses to let others disrespect you. Loyalty like this is rare, and it's a sure sign of love. Yeah, it is. Even among your friends, when you are not around and people are speaking ill of you, and anybody that stands for you, like to speak good about you, to protect you in your absence, that person truly loves you, because you can hardly get it anywhere in the world today, because people tend to buy favor from people of higher status. So even when they are speaking bad of you, they will keep quiet because they don't want to maybe stop or pause whatever thing they are trying to build, or whatever connection they are trying to build or get from the so-called person. So when you find someone who truly treats you this way, man, it's a sign of love, especially when it's coming from the other gender. It's a sign of love. It's worth keeping. Number 9, she's jealous but matured about it. She may feel a little jealous if she sees other women around you, but she won't let it turn into toxic behavior. Instead, she might ask gentle questions, become more affectionate, or want a little reassurance. It's not about controlling you, it's because she cares and fears losing you. Number 10, she prays for you and wishes you well spiritually. In many cultures, especially in places like Nigeria, when a woman truly loves you, she includes you in her prayers. She wants your success, health, and protection. Even when you are not together, that quiet spiritual support is one of the deepest signs of love. So when you see someone like this, you hold the person tight.